Hello, warm welcome back to my channel Dr. Sirisha's Management Lectures. In this video we will try to understand how micromanagement becomes detrimental to productivity and how it diminishes productivity of employees to a great extent. Okay, basically what micromanagement is something a situation or a kind of leadership style where your boss or the superior relentlessly tries to show his or her dominance over the employees, and they do not really trust their employees and their potential in getting things done, and they try to indulge in every aspect, and there is no freedom awarded to the employee. Okay, so that relentless dominance by the superior over his subordinates, that is the concept of micromanagement. And obviously this kind of situation, when your boss is trying to micromanage the subordinates, or when you as a boss you are trying to micromanage the subordinates, that really becomes highly detrimental to their productivity, because it leads to loss of employee potential, because you are not trusting the employee's potential in the first place. And when the employees feel that they are mistrusted, they are judged brutally for their performance, for everything, every decision that they take. When they feel they are brutally judged and brutally micromanaged and questioned, that obviously, for obvious reasons, that diminishes their levels of potentiality and their levels of performance. Okay, and it kills their creativity, of course. When you try to attempt as an employee, when you try to attempt doing certain jobs in a creative way, or making different decisions, trying out new things, and your boss brutally cuts it out and questions you, micromanages you, puts his finger in every aspect of your work, then it obviously kills the employee's productivity and employee's creativity. They never attempt to try anything new, anything different, right? Also, it kills their confidence when when they understand the fact that the boss is micromanaging, the boss is not trusting their abilities, then obviously their confidence levels will come down, right? They do not dare to take any different steps or any initiatives for that matter, right? And also it kills, or it creates a kind of mistrust, kind of environment where there is no trust among the co-workers or on your boss or anybody in the work environment. Trust is in a question mark, because there is no confidence, there is no trust. Your boss is not trusting the employees, so they lose confidence in your boss, in their boss. So the complete untrustful atmosphere or unhealthy atmosphere develops when the boss tries to micromanage, and as a result it completely kills or drastically diminishes the productivity. People or employees will be performing just for the performance sake. They do not give their 100%, they do not emotionally connect to their work. Okay, so that brings frustration at work. Frustration and stress levels will be piled up when the boss tries to micromanage. Okay, also there will be host of negative feelings. All these things, like those lack of confidence, lack of trust, lack of energy, zeal, enthusiasm, complete lack of confidence, or a congenial environment, that builds up all those negative feelings, which obviously will have quite detrimental effect on employees' productivity. Also, it limits the zeal and enthusiasm, and it stifles the creativity to a great extent. So micromanagement is definitely a big no when it comes to workplace. Okay, I hope you understood the point here. Thank you.